So of course this video is not to throw shade at daily driven exotics. Like the main reason is like if you're the first time gonna wrap your car, I think you could do it because not even their car is perfect. Like you might look at my car like it's not perfect, like their car wasn't perfect either, and he's spending $5,000 maybe $10,000 to wrap his car from professionals. Like if you want to wrap your car, just spend $500 and do it yourself. Like rather than spend 10 times that, like not worth it. I'd rather just get a new car at that point, you know. So here we're looking at their Lamborghini that they have wrapped. I was looking at their cuts and you can see here like it's kind of messed up next to the black. And then I was looking like how they did this, how they wrap these parts. They did them like each vent, it's like separate. So it's 2 layers. Like on camera you probably think, damn, they probably wrapped it together, but they didn't. I mean, here you can see how their cut is, like right to the middle, just cut it. And I didn't even like push it in. I pushed it in, so now I know that I don't know how to push it in. I just cut it and leave it there. I mean, this is just how you can see that their wrap is like 3 layers, or like it's the white, then the blue, and then the red. Like those are different layers on top. So now I know how to do maybe that design for my car. And in the mirrors, you can see that's 2 parts. There's a line going to the edge. I thought you did it all in 1 part, but I guess it's maybe easier or better doing 2 parts, so I might do that next time. But I'm just looking at the roof, how they cut it, looking at the edges, like how I should do it. Or I mean, there was a little bit of imperfections here, like just like dirt, like the wrap was messed up. And here, like that was a cool idea for the names. I kind of want to do that for mine, but here they're just a speck of dust I moved. But yeah, like the blue, the red, those are all different layers on top of the white. So I was thinking this, I'm like, this is giving me ideas of how I want to add letters to my car on top. I just gonna cut the letters out. But yeah, I'm just looking at the underwheel, how they cut it so that it doesn't mess up. So just cut it really small and tight. So I left a lot of mine. So yeah, so the other mirror again, 2 pieces. Again, the vents, those are all done separately, it looks like. I thought it was just in 1 wrap. They did it all at the same time, but I'm guessing they maybe, oh, here you can see how it really looks. Like I would have pushed it in after the cut. They just left it. So once it's cut, they just left it. And then here, that was happening in the corner, my edges of my car, as you'll see in the preceding video, or in the next cut. Like all the rocks in the back of the wrap. But also just like how they did it in different layers. Like it's not 1 time, they did it like in 3 layers, the wrap. And then also here you could see how it has wrinkles on the car, which is that's happening also on my car. So I think it's perfectly fine for mine to have it, I guess. But yeah, thanks, no shade at DD. I always thought like, oh, their car looks perfect on camera, you know, from far. Like damn, I wish my car was perfect, you know. But now that I saw their car, like none of their cars are perfect. Like that's not no shade, but you know, like it's like movie magic, you know. Or like when people, I don't know, just to motivate you guys to like not discourage yourself to like, oh damn, I can't, like I'm not gonna be able to wrap a car that good like them. Like no, you actually can. It's possible. Anybody could do it. Yeah, it's pretty. If I could kind of do it, half-ass it, you could probably do it. You like, you know, if you try. So this is me kind of trying, you know. So I think you could do better than me. But yeah, I think let me know next what color I should wrap it next. Or yeah, I think I'm gonna do black. I'm gonna do the fenders black first because I want to, or should I just redo them red? Let me know. Yeah, I want to fix that. That's about it. I want to fix maybe the front and the back bumpers. But if I'm gonna redo the front and back bumper, I might as well just do a different color, right? Might as well try something new. Because I'm gonna put like $400 for a whole new wrap. Like that's a good amount of money for me. Like I'd rather just do a different color, but I'm gonna retry and do that. So yeah, new color and stuff, whatever. So this is how my wrap looks. I mean, from what it was before, I mean, you can see a little bit white here, but I used to have the fender, and then this I cut it a little bit high, and then with the water, it was covered, but I didn't peel it, and it peeled itself with rain and with air, I guess. This, I'm gonna redo the whole fender. I'm gonna redo it black or carbon fiber. It's not worth it. It's not worth it for me to buy carbon fiber, $1,000 parts, where I could just buy a wrap, make it look carbon fiber. Mostly people, when they see carbon fiber from far, they think it's like your car is salvaged or something, so it's not really worth it. So, and right here, I'm gonna redo the front bumpers one day. I don't know, but I could easily do this, and this black, make it kind of cool. That was an idea. But besides that, I mean, this looks, when you look close you can see the imperfections, but from far you can't. This side there's no that much, there's less. I did it better on this side, so I could obviously do it. The only other bad parts I did was like right here. My cuts could be better, like this. Like right here I started off bad, but then right here like and then right here it's kind of good, and then right here and then good, and so, and then right here is the only bad part, the only bad cut. You can see the white. Besides that, besides like those three parts, you can see white, a little bit of white. Oh, from here, I mean, it looks red. No one's looking at the small stuff. I don't think so. I mean, I'm not. I mean, if you're looking at all the small, I mean, no one's car is perfect. Everyone's car has damage. So like, my car, at least my car, looks cool and it's bright red, and it has exhaust, is lowered, has carbon fiber parts, modded, it has tint, and it's like at least 300 horsepower. You know, mine's kind of cool. At least yours is like shitty, and it's like not even perfect, and it's slow, and it's a mom car. Like, you're losing, you know. Like, at least my car is a little bit better, you know, but whatever. So I am gonna redo this soon. I don't know when. I'm not in a hurry. And then right here's a little bit of white. I could redo the like, this is fucking up. Only on this side. This side's good. I don't know why only that side. There's air in there. Might have to redo the door handles. I didn't like how the door handles came out. This, I had to clean it better. I mean, this could have been a little bit better. I mean, from the back, you can't see nothing's wrong. Like, it looks red from far on the freeway, you can't see it. But if you go closer, there's a lot of stretch marks right here. I really messed up right here. And on the other side, instead of it being down here, up here, I did it down here. So the opposite side. So yeah. So, I mean, I obviously know how to do it. I just had to do it that way. Instead of, I worked my weight from top, bottom, instead of working my weight from side to side. So I fucked up there. So I know how to do that next time. I mean, just my, like, that terrible cut, but like, what does it matter? But like, if you know, this is a hard part. If you know how to wrap cars, look at all this. Like, I pretty much, I mean, you can see that little bad cut because I didn't take this off. I was too lazy to take this off. That's how much not work I didn't want to do. But look at that. Like, you know, it's hard to make that bend from that cut to make that bend like that. You know, that's kind of hard. So I was able to do that. I was able to wrap the front bumper. I did that in separate, multiple pieces. I did that in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did like 6 different pieces, I think. Yeah, I think that's the only part I did in pieces. And of course these I did in pieces 1, 2, and 3, and then this is separate. So yeah, I mean, yeah, I just want to redo this. This is getting ugly. I'm gonna wait a little bit more, maybe to here or maybe next week, I'm not sure. This looks cool.
this wrap. This is also, yeah. So it's one wrap, then the black, then the white. There's 3 layers right here. I'm guessing bond piece 3 layers. A little bit of rubbing. I mean, like, it just happens, you know. I think she's clean. I mean, this corner is kind of could be better, to be honest. One day. One day. Oh. This is cool.